Think it, believe it, speak it, receive it. Think it, believe it, speak it, receive it. Think it, believe it, speak it, receive it. Introducing W.K. Jones, the People's Motivator.
Hi, W.K. Jones here. Hopefully you heard the first 3 parts of this 4-part series on the 4 elements of change. I believe in change. I love change. I love to impact my own life with change. I love to be able to make decisions of myself for myself. You know, one great thing that everyone should aspire to, one quality that everyone should have, one thing that everyone should pursue above all other things in life is to be in charge of yourself. Because when you're the boss of yourself, you really tell yourself what you will or what you will not do. And I know a lot of people, and I've been there myself throughout the years of my life that I've lived on this earth. Many times I was captive to whatever came to my mind. I was captive to whatever my body wanted me to do. If it wanted to be lazy, I'd be lazy. If it wanted me to overeat, I'd overeat. I had no real power over myself. So I think it's important for everyone to aspire to be the boss of yourself. We want to rule the world, but we won't rule ourselves. So that's why I believe in the 4 elements of change. Because not only can you make a decision to change, you can see change happen. The first element is by changing the words of your mouth to suit where you want to be. And then the second element is to change the thoughts of your mind to suit where you want to be. And then the third element makes a powerful trinity for yourself, and that is to have that belief factor. You've got to literally believe it. Not pretend to believe it. You can pretend for a minute perhaps, but literally believe that what you're going for, what you're looking for, what you are pursuing, you will in fact become that thing. And in many cases you already have. I've got those first 3 elements, and I'll be honest with you. Those 3 elements alone, if you use them regularly, if you use the words of your mouth, if you use the meditations of your mind, and then you use the belief that is in your heart, the real belief, I don't mean the fake belief, the passive belief where you say I believe but I really don't believe, or I believe, or I think I can. No, I know I can, I know I am, I know who I am. So when you do that, those 3 together make a powerful, life-changing force to operate with you. The 4th element really is here to assist you, and if you respect that element, you'll realize that you can do anything you put your mind on. The 4th element is time. Time should be right up there with earth, wind, and fire, because time is so powerful. Billionaires are made through time. Novelists are made through time. Great recording artists are made through time. Bodybuilders are made through time. Life-changing forces like losing 100 pounds happens with time. You can do anything with time when you respect it and when you use it. I'll tell you, a person who recognizes and acknowledges the power of time, someone who's serving time in prison, because they literally see time tick away. When you have lost time, then you realize how great it is. When you use time, every minute you have, if it's used appropriately, if you recognize and use the power of an hour, for example, and put it to use, you can do more in an hour than many people do in a day, because you will have used your time effectively. The 4th element of change is time. If you use your time wisely, you can affect your own change. You can spend time to making the change in your life. Those are the 4 elements of change. What you say, what you think, what you believe in here. I don't mean in your beating heart, but in the core of who you are and your time. Put those 4 elements together and absolutely nothing is impossible for you. If you put your mind on it, if you want to do it, if you believe it, and you will definitely, without a doubt, achieve it. My name is W.K. Jones. I'm America's #1 life change expert. I'm here for you. I want to hear your story. Thank you for being a part of our lesson.